Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pratibha Chauhan and today I am here with another tutorial where we will be learning about cloud computing security architecture. So let's get started. So first of all we will know what is cloud computing. What is cloud security architecture? It is basically the way set up and organize all the tools and practices that keep everything in cloud safe. Then uh, we will understand about the cloud security core capabilities. Secure cloud computing architecture encompasses three core capabilities. This is known as a CIA triad as well. So in which we will have the confidentiality, integrity, and the high availability. Okay. So what is confidentiality? Confidentiality is about keeping sensitive information private and secure. It means that only the people who are supposed to see your data can see it and everyone else logged it out. Then integrity. What is integrity? Integrity means making sure that your system and application do exactly what you expect them to do and they don't give you false or misleading results. Then we will have the availability. Availability means is about to make sure you can always access your data or services when you need it. Okay, so in summary, we can say that key integrity ensure your system work correctly and gives you a more accurate result. Confidentiality says that you're keeping your information private and only allowing the right people to see it. Availability means making sure you can always access your system and data when you need them. Then we will have some why cloud security architecture is important. So there are some reasons: protection against cyber threats, compliance with regulations, secure access control, data protection, reduce business risk, and improve customer confidence. So we will understand them with each point. So protection against cyber. So cyber threats. Cloud security architecture helps protect against a range of cyber threats such as malware, phishing, and data breaches. What is malware? So in malware is a malicious software like viruses, ransomware, or spyware that can infect your system and cause damage. In cloud security architecture, it puts a protection in place like firewalls and anti-malware softwares to prevent malware from getting in or spreading. Then phishing is a hacker trick you to into giving up sensitive information like password or credit card numbers by pretending to buy someone trustworthy like an email from your bank. So cloud security help from phishing attacks using secure communication protocols. In fact, in data breaches, data breaches happen when unauthorized people access sensitive data like personal detail or financial records. Cloud security architecture ensure that sensitive data is protected by encryption, access control, and monitoring system to keep unauthorized user from getting access. Then compliance with regulations. That is key. Cloud security architectures involves implementing various security measures to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability. That CIA tried, as well demonstrating that these measures meet requirement of relevant regulations. Then reduce business risks. Effective cloud security architecture can help reduce the risk of security incidents which can result in significant financial and reputational damage to the businesses. Secure access control means cloud security architecture ensures that your only authorized user can access resource in the cloud. Then data protection. Cloud security architecture can provide measures such as encryption, data backup, and disaster recovery to protect data stored in the cloud against loss or unauthorized access. Then improve customer confidence. Strong cloud security architecture can help improve customer confidence in cloud-based services and applications, which can be a key differentiator of for businesses. Then threats, cloud security architecture threats. So there is a data breaches. Like, what is data breaches? A data breach happen when unauthorized people gain access to a sensitive data like customer information, password, or financial records. So is the threat क्या? What's a threat? If a hacker break into our cloud storage or database, they can steal, delete, or leak sensitive data, which can lead to a financial loss or damage to our reputation. So how to protect? So how cloud security protected? Cloud security architecture uses encryption, strong authentication methods like MFA, and access control to prevent unauthorized access to keep data safe. Then we will have the malware attacks. What is it, malware attacks? Malware refers to the malicious software that I previously said, like viruses, ransomware, or spyware that designed to damage or steal the data from our system. So what's the threat? Malware can infect cloud services, spread across your network, and causes severe damage like locking your data, stealing personal information, or corrupting files. So how we will protect? Like, how cloud security architecture protect it? So security measures like firewall, anti-malware software, and regular systems can help detect and block malware before it can cause harm. Then there is an insider threat. So what is insider threat? A insider threat came from people within your organization, like employees, contractors, or a partner who have a legitimate access to your system but misuses that access to harm the businesses. So what's the threat? An insider can steal data or leak the data, leak confidential information, or sabotage system because they already have access to their cloud resources. Then how cloud security protect it? So strict access control and monitoring system that can help track and limit what insiders can do. You can also use behavior analytics and spot the unusual activities. Then we have the distributed denial of services, DDoS, which is also known as DDoS attacks. So DDoS attack happen when hacker flood your cloud service with too much traffic that is overwhelms the system, making it unavailable to user. It always occurs in when so many requests come in our system, so this attack will happen. So what's the threat? So there is a threat, uh, it can shut down your website or services, preventing customer from accessing your business or application. It has happened with the lots of business applications. And how to protect against it? So cloud provider often offer DDoS protection services that detect and mitigate attacks by absorbing the excess traffic and preventing your system from crashing. Then we will have the insecure APIs. What is it? So API is an application programming interface, allow different app and subsystem to communicate with each other. If these APIs are not secure, hacker can use them to access or tamper with your data. So what's the threat? An insecure API could allow attacker to gain unauthorized access, so to your cloud services, so manipulate data or inject malicious code into your system. So how protect it? You can cloud can secure API by using encryption, requiring authentication for API access, and implementing regular security tests to check for vulnerabilities. Then compliance violations. What are it? What is it? It happen when your services do not meet regulatory requirements or industry standards like GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS. So threat kya? What's a threat? Non-compliance can lead to fines, legal action, or loss of business. So how cloud security protected? So cloud security architecture should implement data encryption, regular audits and compliance check to ensure that cloud services meet the necessary regulation. Additionally, choosing cloud providers that are certified for relevant standards can help ensure compliance. In summary, we can say कि protect sensitive data using encryption. Then malware attacks, so uses of firewalls, anti-malware software, insider threats, strict access control और and monitoring employee activities. DDoS attack के लिए DDoS protection to mitigate overwhelming traffic for insecure APIs with authentication, encryption, and security testing. Compliance violation for compliance violations, ensure that cloud services follow legal regulation by using compliance checks and audits. Then we have the security layers, which are physical security, network security, host, application, data, and identity and access management. So let's break down them. First, physical security. This layer includes security measures like physical security refers to the physical protection of the cloud infrastructure, such as the data centers where cloud servers and equipments are located. Then we have the network security. Network security focuses on protecting the network that connect to cloud services and systems, ensuring that only authorized traffic can pass through, the malicious traffic is blocked. Then host security, secure the servers and virtual machines like then we have data security. Data security protect the data stored in the cloud. Then identity and access management includes measures to manage user access to the cloud, such as data encryption. Then security application security is about protecting the cloud based apps you use from vulnerabilities and attacks that cloud compromise your data or services. Then we have the security architecture, which varied based on the cloud services models. We have the three cloud service model, which are IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. IaaS stand for the infrastructure as a service, and then we have a PaaS, which is a platform as a service, and SaaS is a software as a service. So there is a IaaS. IaaS required additional security features, deploying network pocket brokers, NPV providers, the visibility into security issues within the cloud network. So, in short, we can say uh, an IaaS model, the cloud provider manages the physical infrastructure, that focuses on the physical infrastructure, servers, storage, networking, while the user is responsible for securing the operating system application and data deploy on the cloud. So, what is the NPB? So, what is it? NPB are tools that allow you to monitor network traffic. NPB monitor the traffics in the cloud and analyze packets that flow through the system. Then we have the WAF, which is, which is a virtual web application firewall, is a firewall designed to protect web applications from common attacks like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, which is a XSS, and other web vulnerabilities. Then we have then there is a SaaS and PaaS cloud computing security architecture, in which we have the cloud access security brokers play a central role in the discovering security. It lags, audit, provide access control, and oftentimes include encryption capabilities. Other insert features for the SaaS cloud environment include logging, IP restrictions, um, API gateways. In summary, we can say that NPB for visibility into network traffic and security monitoring, WAF to protect the web application from malicious traffic and common attacks. Uh, then we have the network based firewalls to protect perimeter of your cloud network and control access. So these are some service model security architecture on service models. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you.